their relation between you, how trustable these brands are, how loyal they are, sincere they are with you, because you share your emotions there. You go and talk about yourself. You are want to show that okay, this is your personality type. And if you will see, especially I don't keep blue and navy blue two separate color. You all know this comes in a one color grid only, and you all have studied about that, how the colors grid play, primary color, secondary color wheel. So navy and the blue color both are related. In fact, along with this, I'll explain you blue also. So again, in blue you say Intel, Skype, Twitter, kind of the same. The words they use what? We feel see open, ambition, goals, spirit. So these are the words we have used here. All this relate when you either see the sky, either you look at the sea in Bombay or wherever you are, Goa or any seaside. So this thing comes automatically in you. You get lot of power, energy. I would like to tell you here, guys, there are two things. The one thing is energy seeker. If you meet somebody, you become sad. Something which actually when you see and you feel energetic, no, now so I'll do it what I believe. So it's these two different things really impact a lot in our life. So that's what it's always there. Methodology, parents says, and you also believe it is very important to have in such a group, friend or surrounding where you are motivated, where you have energy level towards your work. So if you have believe in what you are, you can achieve, and that is what NATA exam is. The 10 days is not less, because the person who started before you is just 20 days before they have started. That means 10 more extra days. Everyone was confused when we started the batch on 25th, I see, and most of them started on 1st, 2nd and all, maximum crowd until 10th. So you are still not late. Still there are a lot of things. You just need to focus more. And we are ensuring you, we guide you properly to understand the entire syllabus till your mock paper, test paper and the all classes, whatever you want. Let's move to the next one. Anyone can explain here pink, purple, pink, purple, green also is done, navy is done, red is done, orange is done. Anyone? Last student. Then we'll move to the next slide. Please guys, go ahead. Last time, Anne, you haven't speak, and Chitra, Namrata, you need to speak up. If you just quiet and you will think you are learning everything, it's never work. We have 5 senses, and when we do something with our heart and soul, it's very important to use the all senses. Then you will have a great learning. Please go ahead. Any one of you. I don't want the student, though they have already speak, they should come and speak. Anyone else? Amisa also I can see on my screen. Anyone, please guys. I always believe to take all students together, and it's very important you to participate. Please go ahead guys.
So blue color depict the spiritual and it gives us energetic and confidence of putting our thoughts.
होता है. You are right. I mean, आप देखो जितना भी formal होता है, Amisha, most of you are when we see a man wearing a blue shirt, black pant, and blue and white, blue combined with any other, it's give very perfect formal look. Okay, are you going for office? And most of the school dress that's in a blue. So it's leave that. You are right. That's what I'm saying. As much you guys will discuss, so many things will come automatically. I never keep any notes or any things. We need to open up. That is what the intellectual way of the learning. Here we learn from each other. You need to tell me. You need to participate. Any other for any other color? One last time.
Purple.
Yeah, please.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
purple,
You
sir.
are audible. Please. Chalo.
I'm using a brand of Cadbury.
Yeah, Cadbury brand. Very.
I hope everyone knows.
Yeah, when we talk about Cadbury,
It's a topmost
yeah,
brand in this.
Cadbury, Yahoo. I understand your emotions are what you are trying to tell. So this shows that how premium they are, how loyal they are towards you, how luxury these brands they want to show themselves. Like at the same time, the word fantasy, respectable, creative, all this relate here. Can you ever thought in such a way like okay, a Cadbury purple packet क्यों है? कभी सोचा है आपने? So this experiences, this learning will help you throughout. What we are talking about today is not just for your exam. You will see the questions also. It will help you in the exam. It will help you in the college. It will help you to become a very good interior designer or architecture or planner or whatever you want to be. So focus here, learn here, take something, and that would be always helpful. Let's go to next slide. We are done almost. The one is pink. I will tell you. Meanwhile about starting before this slide, I will talk about the pink. If you will see any brands or many of the brand about, you just go and notice those brands. I would like to tell you the exercise I'll give you now here. I'll not tell you the brand names was there already. So the brands, though they want to represent them, okay, they are towards more the brand for females or in that zone if they want to keep themselves. So their branding is towards the light to dark in tone of the pink. There are many brands and top-notch brands are in that list. Many premium brands also having such branding, which I have seen in India's top mall, either in Bombay St. Regis, if you will talk about, in that Palladium Mall, there the brands are, which is the all top brands are there. Or if you will go to Delhi, Connaught Place, or if you will come to Bangalore, in anywhere here also, or any other cities, I hope there also the brands are like that. So let's come to this here. Now what we see, color psychology, expression, emotion and understanding of that. Because sometimes we talk love, but how it is. So we see love with the color and how the passion and love is there. So why we have some story behind it to explain you in such a way, because visual is something which we remember maximum. The word sometimes we don't understand, sometimes we take a lot of time to understand because there are different languages. But the visual is the one thing, the expression is one thing which talks and you understand, especially when you know the person. You understand everything, okay, what is going on. So here, love and passion, anger and power, you can relate with this storyline. Let's go to the next slide. Anyone want to say something? You can stop me. You can ask the question also in between, because quickly I will take you this slide. The nature, we can relate with the green color. Safety, we have already discussed how. Lucky and NAV, I have already told you how. Well, next go to next slide. Nature, brown. Yeah, brown color I discuss a bit less, so I will explain you the brown color more. It is very simple. The brown we see nature, that means it's history. It's talk about our past as well. Isolation, security is there with the brown. Brown shows some strength, because whatever is the antique, or if you have rustic, or if you have a old gold and miles, anything which you have very 100, 200 year old, you can sell out today if you want. So each word's having a very different aspect how you want to take. That's more important. Next, go to the next slide. Yeah, pink, it's talk about romance, it's talk about kindness, it's talk about happy, calmness. But the psychology of pink, we need to understand it. It's very different. It's so pure, it's so innocent, it's so passionate towards your relation. So it is very important to understand pink color. Always we relate with the small kids. We relate with Barbie doll. We relate with those soft corner you have towards the pink color. So how we see the red is hot, black is this, and blue is, so that is what goes with the pink color. Well, next, go to the next slide. Blue, very vast, which I was talking about. Navy blue to light blue. It comes under sadness also. The sadness part, if you will take it towards more, so it goes suspense. You see, must be seen in blue and black color in most of the suspenseful movie and horror movies. That experience you had. And if we come back to stability and calmness, yes, because it's more discipline and colors, and it's look very formal, so obviously it's stable. It shows that how this color having, like, you know, their relation in between, and how calm it is. Productive, no doubt. It's very active color, shows that somebody is fit, active. So if you will see, most of the, I'm not saying even girls are also having, but most of the men's formal wear, if you will see, that comes in a blue, and it's most sellable, because I work with brand like LP, Van Heusen, Peter England. So I've seen how these are the top Indian brands and how they sell the formal, especially in blue color. Apart from white and black, because white and black is something which is the basic product. Every year it's white and black. At the same time, blue also come in a basic, which people automatically they comes and buy. Let's go to the next slide. Yeah. Now what we are talking about, the wealth or richness. We can see here some example of royalty, mystery, imagination, and the visual tours related to that. So color, purple color, relate you, talk you in that way about this. Next slide. Yeah, yellow color, it's a warm, no doubt. It's happiness, it's brightness, it's energy level, but at the same time, it's attention, it's discipline. Which, if you will notice, you will see in so many slide, like, you know, places. While divider and many places we use this color, yellowish to orangish tone. Depend on, like, you know, city, country, and area they use. Let's go to next slide. White. For many people, it is emptiness, it is peaceful, is cleanness, is innocence. But for me, when we talk about innocence, that is the biggest love. That's a real love, I believe. When you are innocence, you don't know anything, but you know the reason of why you are there, and you're like purity, because you are without thinking anything, you just go in a wave and you want to do that. When we talk about emptiness, that means you reach in the level where you do not need anything. You just need to think in that way, what I'm trying to tell you. You know, there's a time come, we see many people, we give example, okay, he reached in the level where he don't need anything. That is also emptiness. When we see a sky, you are a king of the world. Yeah, first person of the world, US president. What else you need? You don't need anything. Monthly salary, do you need? Do you need bank saving balance for that particular time? No. So each color, how you take it, that is more important. Well, normally we use for purity, we use for, like, you know, spiritual, all way, because white is something which keep us calm again and very relaxed. There is no disturbance. So this is the basic meaning. That was what the philosophy I'm talking about, but that you can make it sensible. Every philosophy having a meaning. Let's move to the next slide. Now we'll take some example of color greed. This is the last thing, and after that we'll go to the question. Here I will quickly take you through. This is called collage. Let's take me next slide, Mr. Mukesh. Here in this slide, if you will see, I want to know which color is rebellious. Tell me. We have read a lot about color psychology. Now you guys tell me, I'm talking from long time. Now you guys tell me which color is rebellious.
Red.
You can write also. If your audio is not working properly, you can't unmute. Your video is not working, you can write in chat box. Orange, red, orange, red. Guys, you will be surprised to know it. Blue is here rebellious. And I'll tell you how. Amisha, Shruti, I can see a couple of you have mentioned. Shruti or Amisha, could you please explain why blue is rebellious? Very nice. If your answer is blue.
Blue is a cool color.
No, okay. You are perfectly right. So this audio, I think, having a disturbance. He has mentioned in the chat box. You guys are perfectly right. The blue color which we can see here is rebellious because rest 2 is in the same zone. Orange and red, it's relate. So again, it's depend on situation. Do not go to the basic nature of the colors. We say na, it's depend on situation. If person is crying after getting the awards or some achievement, that doesn't mean that person is sad. He's happy. That is your cognitive test. So it's always depend on situation here. Blue by nature is not rebellious, but here in this particular condition, he is only the rebellious. Well, so the same way, isolation will goes with blue, frustration will goes with blue, unpredictable and overpowering is also going with blue. So anyone having any doubt related to these words which is mentioned with this green, let me know, I'll explain you. Because I want you to open your mind totally today before starting the question. Please guys tell me.
Excuse me, sir. How can frustration will be blue?
Yeah, frustration is blue. Like suppose you are a very cool person. That means your body nature is very cool. Let it be the cool personality, and I'm talking about the other people who are not cool. Let it be. Like your body adapted the weather of Bangalore, and I will send you somewhere in India where Gaya or Rawalpindi, somewhere where always there is a hot weather, or Rajasthan, how you will feel. So that is happening with the blue. The blue is there with red and orange. That is not going together at all, and both nature is different. So that's obviously the blue is in frustration. Everyone needs company, right? If you're only, I will speak how I feel. Getting it? Yeah. Anyone else? Having any doubt? Should I move to next slide? Yeah. You can write in the chat box, guys. I mean, your audio is not proper. I just heard the one word, you got it, but please write in the chat box. Just if you have a question. Let's go to quickly next slide. Meanwhile, I will take quickly through. You can understand here. Anyone having any doubt with the words which is mentioned here? Beauty, nature, mystery, harmony. Red can come under overpowering. No, under overpowering is also blue because red and orange is diluting each other's. How unpredictable of blue. I have explained you unpredictable is blue. We cannot think with the red and orange the blue will come. Next color is suddenly. That's what. And don't worry, you will learn slowly in the classes if you are not getting it now. It depends on the situation. I explained you in the first one only. Now this one, if you will see separation. The white in center is separating this color grid into two parts. Hope. The white is hope here in between so many colors. The hope line is white here. Series. It's creating the series. Emphasis. If you will not had a yesterday class, easily you can answer me. What is emphasis over here? Please write or unmute and say. What is emphasis? Where we have emphasis in this composition?
The white color is standing out.
Yes. So that is emphasis. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. So now let's go to next slide quickly. I want to go to quickly into event. Yeah. So you can restart the recording. Then after that for feedback, 2 rounds. Let's start again the recording part. And after we completed the chapter, we reached to the question session round. You guys need to write in your book. Do not write here on chat box on screen. Just write in a book, share with your mentor, whomsoever is your mentor is. Select the color, make you feel energetic. We have discussed enough about color today. This is the third subtopic, your subtopic for part A. So tell us here what you think, which one is the energetic color out of this. Now let's go to the next question. Yeah, the color red best reflect. So out of these words which we see here, hunger, or childish, rich, or depression, whatever you think the red depict, you need to write in your book. Third one. Very, very interesting question. The green is not. Understand, the three words relate to green. One here is not relating to green. So you have to talk out of this word, which is generous, nature, growth, mystery. Which one is not relating to green?
Generous.
I said write in your book. Do not write here in chat box. Next, go to the next question. Well, guys, so the time is up for the day. So write 5 emotions that color reflect. So you see all this image. Quickly, you will have 30-second time. Write the 5 words which reflect after looking this. All ads, branding, and everything here on this screen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, guys. So I am Krishnan Singh, completing your session, and now we'll have a discussion round, open round with you guys, and where we want your feedback
so that they can also solve that answer, because this is not a new pattern which we are sharing you today. Well, guys, now moving forward to our rapid course. So our expert teams designed the special rapid course from 5 to 7 days program. In that we'll teach you part A, part B, strategy. Then we'll have a test paper and discussion of test paper to upgrade your marks. So these you must contact us and fill the Google form to know about it. If you want, you can join us for test series and part A preparation also. Make sure you fill the form and attend those classes. So how you like this video? Is this helpful? If this test paper is helpful, this video is helpful, again I want your suggestions are in the chat box so that we can make the video what you want to know. So make sure, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon button so that you will get to know more video on this. Thank you for watching Ignite India and have a great day.